Oh, that's such good news.
It's awesome, huh?
I'll share it.
Huh?
I don't have any more room on my disk. I've got to find it.
Yeah, and I don't have battery left.
I have an extra battery if you want.
No, this is chargeable. I should have put it on the charger.
But they're surprisingly clean. And they can wash their cars.
Yeah, they wash themselves quite well. Almost no chance.
Low battery. I've got a low battery.
Yeah, I've been operating on low and I keep holding my
Nice
breath so far.
big
so
warthog
good.
as well. Big tusks.
But you can hear the crunching of the bones.
Mm.
Yeah.
You see they're hungry, they've already eaten half of it in the time it's taken us to get here. It's taken us 20 minutes to get here and it was still alive as we were on our way. So.
So they caught up with it from behind and using their
Yeah, must have
claws, they
done.
brought it down.
Must have done, yes.
Yeah.
He's getting
Yeah,
hot
got
and he's
to.
getting full, huh?
And that's when the vultures started.
Okay,
Yeah,
go
he's looking for shade
Go
now.
in the shade and lie down.
Look at all the blood on its paws.
Well, that warthog might have gotten a swipe at him too. Oh, good. I can't get over the similarities in the cats, the domestic cats.
Almost looks as though there's a white collar around the neck, doesn't it?
Mhm.
The markings.
It's a tick collar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Got it at Walmart.
No, PetSmart.